It's the Mighties. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to apply press on nails. Yeah, quarantine and nibs for show. But we're going to go ahead and take care of that ASAP. I purchased some press-ons from Sauced Up Acrylics. So bomb, so bomb. The packaging is super cute, and I just love these colors. Anything neon. My heart for sure. And please excuse the noise if there is any noise in the background. My children are watching some TV. All right, so what you're gonna need are some handy dandy press-ons. I have some cute bad dama press-ons here. I'm gonna go with the green color today. Super cute. And the package did come with some extra sizes just in case, with a little buffer. Super cute, super handy. And a nail stick. I don't know what these are called, but I believe it's a cuticle pusher. I just don't know the right name for it. So a nail stick. And some glue. Now make sure that your hands are washed before buffing your nail. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a little buffer and start buffing away. Simple. Grab your nail. I mean, you can't grab your nail's on your freaking hand. But grab your little buffer and start buffing your nail. Now I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna flip the camera and show you guys the work. Here we go. We have our tools. So first we're gonna go ahead and push our cuticles back with the nail stick and make sure that everything is clean and ready. Excuse my nails. There we go. I finished applying my press-on nails. Super adorbs. Adorable. Sauced up nails. In minutes. It was super easy. I mean, I can't even say anything, honestly. Make sure your hands are clean. Push back the cuticle with a nail stick. Buff them out. Apply the glue on the tip. Press down 3 to 4 seconds. Voila. How cute are these? Some press-on nails. Make sure you hit up Sauced Up Acrylics. I'm gonna go ahead and put her link down below. Comment and let me know which nails are your favorite. Are you team green or team LVP? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video.